Abracadabra?
Abracadabra.
Yep, definitely turn white. He's definitely white. You don't trust me? He's definitely white. Absolutely, definitely white. Are you sure? Wow, you're really persuasive today, aren't you? Are you sure? Are you a white bunny? Yes, he's a white bunny. Yeah, that was a fantastic trick, wasn't it?
No! Let us see it.
They don't trust us, Orion.
I trust you.
Are you sure? All right, well, what we'll do is, now how can I remedy this? Now, what can I do to prove to you that he has changed into a white
Open the door.
bunny? The door?
There's 2 doors.
There are 2 doors? Are there seriously 2 doors? All right, I'll show you the other door, okay? Here we go. There he is. He's black again. It's a good trick, right? The other side? Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, I'll show you the other side, but I don't want to tell you how. What I'll do is I'll make him turn black again. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay, abracadabra. He's black again. So what? Okay, now, does anybody have any idea how I did that?
You flipped
I
him.
turned it around?
No, you didn't.
Did I turn it around?
No.
I didn't turn it around, did I? Turn it around.
Magic.
It was magic, all right. I'm going to turn it back white again.
Why did the key disappear?
Okay, abracadabra. And now he's black again. What's the other door?
Really?
The other door? Okay, I'll open up the other door. Okay. Here's the other door. He's black again. Oh, gosh. Okay. You think you got me, don't you? You think you got me? Okay. All right. I heard you say 2 doors. So what we're going to do is I'm going to open up the door, and we're going to open up the other door, and we're going to take them out. Let's do that. There we go. All right. So you want to see the other side?
Yes.
Which side? This side?
No! Turn it around!
Turn it around like this?
No!
What do you mean? Turn the bunny around? Okay. How fast?
No! Turn it this way!
Flip it over?
Like this!
Orion, you want to show it? Okay.
Look!